Everybody knows Luke. And when we got certain investors, I could think of two off top, like, oh, y'all got Luke down? I'm in. I'm glad we have Luke. I'm glad we have the team that we have, because we striving, like, literally for greatness. We bringing it back to, like, Boys in the Hood, Juice, Menace to Sight. Like, we don't feel like it's been one of those in a minute. Luke is gonna make the project that much better.
When it comes to picking projects, if the subject matter is, I feel, dope, then I'll rock with it.
I was tapped by Irv and Supreme.